Welcome everyone. Welcome to Frank Christian Uka channel. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to go about registration or how to register as a new student in Noun, how to come in, what are one you need. So in this there's a website now provided as a new portal. So when you come to your browser, just type Noun. Make sure you type it in full. So in the first page, it's in post up. There is what you click. You see now SMS. Just click on it. When you click on it, just follow it. So follow here. You click on it here. So here in this place now. So what you'll be checking out is admission. So don't look at here because it's for people that have already registered. Hope you understand me. So when you come here, click on admission. Just follow my footsteps. Just click on admission. You see admission. I am qualified. Apply for admission. So when you come here, sorry. So what you just need to do is just check if you are qualified. For you to check if you are qualified here. And so if you are qualified and what you need to do, which you know. So there's a message that will pop up here. Certificate course. Click here, you see what you need. So after that, you also want to just play around here, just play around all those things, So after I will show you, I will also tell you the kind of documents you need. Now did not need it for you to sit for any jam. Now you don't need it. What now just need one is what you just follow the procedure to get it right. So come here. In case, assume that you want to study computing or education or law, management, science, anything that you want to study, just come here and just search for it if it is available. You can see the title degree program. So when you come here, select social science, you come here, select a department. When you come to select department, you come down here, start looking for the course that you want to study. So when you come here, let me just pick randomly because of this video. So you pick CSS, criminology and security study. So when you come here, say program. So this is where you pick the one you want. If you don't see it or you are confused, you can also come here and change it. You change it to can just pick peace study. You go to peace study, you can select anyone that you want to study. This is for randomly. I'm just showing you playing around here. So you come and say level. You can pick depending on the level you are, 100 that you want to join, 100, 200. You can just say I pick 200 level. No. This way is for 100 level. People that want to join us. So you just pick 100 level. So when you pick 100 level now, you click on next. When you click on next, you see the requirements, what you need before now admit you in the institution. So what you need is English, yes, and mathematics is yes. So you go down and check. So if you check everything here and you see that you merit it, then you can go ahead and apply. So in case this, for example, I'm sure showing because if it is another faculty or under social science, you can see the one that will say that you must get. You say those things, you say yes. This is mandate. You can see mandate here. Yeah. So all these things. So when you come down, you have to come down. You come down like this. You now apply. Say apply for admission. When you click on it, it will also bring it to you this prompt confirmation. You say you press yes. So don't click on this, please don't click on this. So what you just come here and click on this cancel button. When you click on this cancel button, you click on available program. When you click on available program here, you also come down here, you click on this number 1 undergraduate, click it here. So this prompt will come. What this prompt is saying means that you have to get your jam registration number. This is normally you have cyber cafe in your area. Just run to them, say that you want to get your question to provide. Make sure that you are with your NIN and the what you want to study, the courses inside there. So all those things, that is what you got. What now is just saying that they want to just they want this jam registration number. So when you read all those things and you understand it, click yes. So I also tell you how much they will charge you. This 5,000 naira. What they will charge you, jam will charge you 5,000 naira. So when you read all those things, you see here say pieces of information below must be filled of the candidate. So this is where you fill your list. Make sure you are filling everything correctly in your NIN, please, and make sure that everything you are filling, the name you are filling, tally with your WAEC result. And maybe if you mistakenly you made a mistake in your WAEC and about your name in your NIN is very correct, you can do affidavit. Please attach it. Do affidavit too. Don't keep it down, because you are also open. But if everything is correct and get everything done, you can also go ahead. So you fill all those things here. Then your date of birth, you must fill your current date of birth in your NIN. Your date of birth correct in your WAEC. Please don't make mistake. Another one, personal email address. This email address is very, very, very serious. You must put your email address that is still active, that you receive OTP or message. It must be very, very active. And you also put your personal phone number. This phone number is very, 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 very serious, but you have to put it in case if they want to communicate with you. Mind you that after getting admission, now we'll give you your student email separately. Now we'll not communicate with you via your personal email. We will send you a message on your student email. So I hope you are getting what I'm saying. So when everything has gone, so here now, this is what you'll be needing to get. This is what you'll be needing to get. You get your birth certificate or attestation. You can get all those things, or if you don't know how to get it, you can come to me. I will help you, or comment you don't know how to get, or go about those things. I can help you and get it. I can also help you and get your original one, because now presently now is requesting for original certificate. If you don't have it, you can comment. I'll send you my WhatsApp number. You come into my WhatsApp. I'll help you and get original certificate without going to any offices, or without going back to your school, or place of school that you wrote your WAEC, or without going to WAEC office. You can do it together and I will give you original certificate, WAEC certificate. For your date of birth, if you don't have it, you can also get it online with my help. This is for free. But the WAEC certificate you have to pay. This is because I'm not the one that give you is government, but I will guide you and help to get it. So for those who's coming to me, I also show you how to do your assessment and TML for free. Give you way understanding about National Open University for you to succeed. So here now, after getting all those things you want, you can now this is where now is requesting for your JAM registration number, which is already compulsory for you to put it here. So after you fill all those things, I make sure that it's very, very okay, and we agreed that you are all certified and you have made the requirement. Then why can't you just click next? So when you click next, so you see another instruction there. Just follow up with instruction. This is where you also upload your audio document. You put it in one file. You put everything in one file, then upload. Then after uploading, now we'll check. I also give you admission immediately if you meet the requirement. Now have the right to bounce back your admission and give you another course to study if you don't merit them. So there is one thing about it. I hope you understand all over all those things. So if you don't understand anything, please comment on the comment section. I will also explain better. Thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe. Thank you so much.